This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie Liebler. Meticulously maintained, all brick, 4-bedroom ranch home located on a quiet cul-de-sac in the highly sought-after Riverwalk neighborhood. Spacious one-level living with open floor plan includes an eat-in kitchen, butler's pantry, living room and formal dining room. Huge primary suite with walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms. Room over the garage has a full bathroom and can easily be used as the 4th bedroom or flex space. Beautifully landscaped backyard with large composite deck and saltwater pool. Tons of updates and upgrades. Enjoy living in an amenity-filled neighborhood with clubhouse, pool, tennis courts, boat ramp, dock parks, gazebo, playground, and trails. 2-car garage and loads of storage including a spacious shed. Convenient interstate access minutes away. This home has it all. For more information, review the details below.